Hello and welcome to the second film in our construction details. In it, we look at how the level of detail that can be illustrated changes between 1 to 20 and 1 to 5 scale drawings. As always, the golden rule is that two parallel lines in a printed drawing must always be at least 1 mm apart. On a scale of 1 to 5, this 1 mm represents 5 mm in reality. That is approximately the thickness of a mobile phone. As a result, it's possible to show almost all of the elements and layers of a building in a 1 to 5 scale drawing. In fact, a number of important thin components, such as waterproof membranes, for example, are intentionally enlarged. Other components, such as sheet metal, are abstracted to a line and drawn a short distance from the adjacent layers. Let's take a closer look at some of the components that are indicated by a line. Here, we can see a retaining bracket of a facing skin at the lintel, a metal frame edging the window reveal, waterproof membranes where the window joins the wall, and wall ties for bracing to the facing skin. A horizontal section at a scale of 1 to 5 shows the same level of detail. Here, for example, the vapor barriers where the window meets the reveal and the shadow gap profiles between the plastered wall and the timber reveal cladding are indicated by a single line with a space between adjacent components. In contrast, the panes of glass in the triple glazing, in reality 4 mm thick, appear somewhat thicker than they really are by two lines approximately 1 mm apart, which would indicate a measurement of 5 mm. Summary. Almost all the elements and layers of a building can be shown in a 1 to 5 scale drawing, and some important components such as waterproof membranes are intentionally enlarged. Other components such as sheet metal are abstracted to a line and drawn a short distance from the adjacent layers. Our construction details series continues with film number 3. In it, we look at the key principles that apply to the preparation of 1 to 5 scale drawings.